Hey guys, it's your boy Keys. Welcome for today's market activity. We have total market cap 2.24 trillion. Notable movers: MIOTA and ramp. Bitcoin price is about 49,718. I think Bitcoin has gone past this. But Ethereum price 3,000. Ethereum is heading towards the $4,000 mark. Cardano crossed $3. It's currently 2.98 here when it has crossed $3. This update talks about who can write about crypto. If you merely watch market from afar but very closely, does that make you qualified? Do you need more qualification? This question is at the forefront. And it talks about people who has enough knowledge to write about crypto. So Bloomberg hired a full-time managing director for crypto coverage in the newsroom. Stacy Maria Ishmael is a journalist with years of experience at BuzzFeed. So when you go online to find out more about crypto, I'm sure that the majority of people write to Twitter. And I'm so sure that you get your crypto news from the most trusted Twitter sources. However, I also wager you to trust those people to give you crypto news because they are experts. When a JPG of a rock sells, I guess the better question to think about the day is, when did you get into crypto and how long did it take you until you had a solid understanding of Bitcoin, altcoins, NFTs, Plato, and so this talks about crypto in general. So there's a sponsored ad here for Apollo X. If you need the link, just let us know. I'll drop it for you, or you can go over to the website, participate and get a $50 reward. There's a Twitter launching a Bitcoin tip jar. It's less than 2 months after Jack Dorsey said Twitter will support Bitcoin payments. Reports suggest a BTC chip jar is coming. So a beta version of Apple's iOS revealed that the addition of Bitcoin to the content creator supporting tool is built on the Lightning Network. A fervent BTC supporter, Dorsey's payment firm Square has embraced it too, allowing users to buy crypto on demand. So that's the news headline. Jack Dorsey is currently dishing out Bitcoin to content creators. Where BitConnect promoter Glenn commits fraud. BitConnect promoter Glenn Akahilz has pleaded guilty to conspiracy to commit wire fraud in the infamous $2 billion Ponzi scheme. Faced up to 20 years imprisonment. We have crypto dead in a decade without regulation. We have crypto dead here. So guys, these are the news updates on CoinMarketCap. Thanks for reading. Thanks for staying with us today. We're dropping our uploads. Sorry we've not been up this very month, but we're looking forward to coming back as usual. One of guys. In the comment section will be there. You can drop your questions. I'll be here to attend to you. I hope this is helpful to you. I hope this update is helpful to you. One love. Peace out, guys. Goodbye, Keys.